In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pinterest desktop reels. Open Pinterest in your desktop browser. Once you're on your home page, look over to the left side of the screen for the plus icon. This is your creation shortcut. Click it, then choose Pin. On desktop, this is how you publish a video-based reel on Pinterest, and it gives you access to all the fields you need to optimize it for discovery. You'll land on the pin creation tool. In the media area, either click to choose a file or drag and drop your video straight from your computer. For best results, use a vertical video, keep the first few seconds attention grabbing, and make sure the audio is clear. Let the upload fully process before moving on so the preview plays smoothly. Next, add a strong title. Think about what someone would type to find content like yours, and weave those keywords naturally into a short, compelling line. Clarity beats cleverness here. Describe exactly what viewers will learn or see in your reel. Then, write the description. This is your space to expand on the title, add context, and set expectations. Include relevant keywords and any important details a viewer might need. Keep the tone helpful and concise, and front-load the most important information so it shows in previews. Add your link in the designated field. This is where you direct viewers for more information, products, or the full tutorial. Use a clean, trustworthy URL that matches what you describe. If you're driving traffic to a site you own, make sure the content on that page aligns with the promise in your reel. Choose a board that fits the topic. Boards help Pinterest understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. Pick the most specific, relevant board you have so your reel lands in front of people already interested in that theme. If your reel features items for sale, tag products. Product tags let viewers jump straight to the exact item, reducing friction and improving conversions. Place tags thoughtfully so they don't block important visuals in the video. If your video or thumbnail was edited with AI, toggle mark as AI modified. This disclosure keeps your content compliant with platform guidelines and helps maintain transparency with viewers. When everything looks good, click Create to finalize the setup, then click Publish. Give the page a moment to confirm the upload and processing. That's it. Your Pinterest desktop reel is live, discoverable, and ready to reach new viewers.